Episode 41. Welcome to the flat. So, in this area, you might be seeing some changes, minor changes. Electrical conduiting is going on, and as such, the major work which is happening is currently in the master bedroom's bathroom. So, this I had already covered in the yesterday's episode. We have completed the pocket tiling. Now, straightway moving ahead, this bathroom is all ready with regards to electrical conduiting as well. So we are initiating the tiling probably in tomorrow's video. You'll be seeing that. So moving ahead, let's see the area which is very much nearing completion, that is master bedrooms, master bathroom. So yesterday we had seen the tiling was till the niche level, and now today what you see is that above tiling is all done. So in the entire day stretch, it is only maximum around 15 to 16 square feet work which gets completed, because there is extensive cutting, a lot of precision has to be followed. So this is how the work happens on site. I hope you are enjoying the series, and stay tuned. I'm getting a lot of mails, but I would like to get your comments below the video so that I answer it. Thank you.